Hello guys, in this video I'd like to quickly show you how to reset your impressions. Probably on your video you were getting a very good impression before and your click-through rate was very high. All of a sudden you discover that you're not getting impressions again. Let me show you an example. Now on this video has 22 views. Okay, as in the YouTube views. If you go to this part, this YouTube studio anyway, if you go to the reach, you see the impressions is 254. But look at the impression click-through rate is 7.1, which is very, very high. Now let's look at the graph here. Look at the graph. The impression shot up on 15th and suddenly went flat on 16th. You understand? Really went flat. Something is wrong with this video. And if you look at the data, said data. Okay, let me just click on the click-through rate. Okay. Now look at it. Said data for impression click-through rate is displayed up to the minute. Okay, this is an estimate and may be adjusted over time as the data becomes more defined. This simply telling us that as people respond to your thumbnail and your title, your data will always be updated. Let me quickly show you something else. You discover that what we have here, browsing features, suggested videos, you have 90%. So what now happens to the impression? Why will the impression suddenly drop? That's what I want to share with you in this video. So if your impression suddenly dropped, what you want to check now are these parameters. You want to quickly revisit your video keywords. This is YouTube saying this themselves. You want to quickly visit your keywords, visit your title, your description, and your thumbnail. Okay? Now, constant update it because it's obvious that they are not matching up. It's either your thumbnail caused people to click on your videos and they didn't get their expectation. So YouTube stopped suggesting your video. Because if you look at this video, they have, videos with 90%. You understand? And the 90% came rapidly. Look at 7.2 click, which is high. Even 5.0 is already high. So if I'm now having 7.2, you expect that the video should keep going higher, right? But the video just got stopped. Let's tell that something is obviously wrong. So let's go. Let me quickly show you the engagement. Look at the engagement tab. This is how you will know that is a serious problem. People, they don't watch more than 29 seconds. That's the average watch time, which is not okay. If you're having 7 point something click-through rate, you should have more than 29 seconds. Let me show us what this is. It's the average amount of time you guys spent watching this video. So if they are eager to click, you expect that they should stay longer on the video, but they are obviously not staying longer on the video. That's to tell you that something is wrong. Now, if you go to your YouTube studio, let me show you this one on the mobile. The mobile will tell you that, let me just quickly get it on my phone. I'm going to display it on the screen so that you're also going to see it. Now, look at what he said there. When you click on this icon, he said, people are choosing to watch this video on YouTube more than your other videos, but they are not watching as long. You see, they are not watching as long. So make sure your title and thumbnail represent your videos content, so viewers know what to expect. So there's a misleading information either on your title or your thumbnail. So you want to make sure that this aligns properly. So just revisit everything. Revisit your title, revisit your thumbnail, revisit your description, and make sure you are putting in the right keywords. You understand? And you're going to see your video do better. I would not recommend that you delete your video now. Don't delete it because I'm sure you took your time to provide valuable content, but just make sure that all these parameters are in alignment. Make sure they are together. Make sure they are saying the same thing. I know some people like to present clickbait. Okay, clickbait is okay, but excuse me, but in the long run, people will drop off and stop watching. And by the time they stop watching, YouTube will stop recommending your videos. I hope this is helpful. Subscribe to the channel if you are not already a subscriber. Thank you and see you in my next video.